Sometimes you need to change the case of text in your database. For example, lower to capital, capital to lower, or in proper case. So in this video, we will learn how to change text case with formulas and how can we use in dynamic ways. In this database, I have a list of names in the different cases. Some are in proper case, some are in mixed cases. So firstly, we will change in uppercase with formula. Uppercase formula is equal upper bracket. Now you select the text. So I will select A4 and bracket close, press enter. All the letters of this name Morgan Freeman in uppercase now. So I will drag the same formula as below. So list of these names in upper text now. Next one is lower function. We will use lowercase formula which start with equal, lower, bracket and select A4, bracket close and press enter. After this, drag this formula up to the bottom and you can see all these names in lowercase now. Last one is proper case, which means first letter of every word is in uppercase and formula start with equal, proper, bracket and select A4, bracket close, press enter and drag the same formula up to the bottom as previously. After that, you can notice all names are in proper case, which means the first letter of every word is in capital. It doesn't matter originally text in which case, but after use the formula, we can change the case as per our requirement, which is upper, lower and proper case. Sometimes everyone face the problem of extra space in text when export the data from somewhere else. And if you want to remove the space with the change of case, so how can you deal with this? We will discuss this scenario in this example. In this data, we have a list of names with extra space and in the mix of text cases. So firstly, we will remove the text space and change into the uppercase at the same time. For removing the extra space, we will use trim formula with uppercase. For example, here equal upper bracket. Now we will use trim formula. Trim bracket and we will select A13 bracket close and then we will close the second bracket and press enter. The extra space is removed and all these text in uppercase. Drag the same formula up to the bottom. As you can see, all spaces are removed and all these text in uppercase. Now we will use the trim function with lowercase. For example, equal lower bracket trim bracket again select A13 bracket close the second bracket of lowercase and press enter and drag this formula up to the bottom. You can see extra spaces are removed and all these text in lowercase now. The last one is proper case. We will use the trim function now with proper case. Now in our last scenario, we will use trim function with proper case. So equal proper bracket trim function bracket again select A13 bracket close second bracket close press enter and drag the same formula up to the bottom. And here you can find your data without spaces and in proper case. So hopefully you like this video, so don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you so much.